Hi. Going with a monster today, and they have the pink ends. Or should I do a blue one? Ultra Fantasy Ruby Red. What's this one? Ultra Blue. Hawaiian, that's new. Okay, we're gonna do the blue Hawaiian, because that sounds the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Going out to dinner with the girls tonight, so you guys cannot make me late, okay? Okay, so gotta get a full tank tonight. So we are actually in Denver, Colorado for tonight's live stream. Little change of scenery. It's also raining today, so we're gonna have a little bit of a rainy live stream in Mach. So this is Mach. This is my 2021 Supercharged Mach1 Mustang, stage 2 Pro Charger kit, catted long tube headers, running the factory exhaust right now. He is lowered, and right now for the wheel and tire setup, probably not ideal for in the rain, because on the front I have the Mickey Thompson Street Comp tires, and then on the rear I actually have an all-season tire setup. These tires are actually from Amazon. I was still kind of like indecisive if I was planning on keeping Mach or not, so I just ordered. I'm talking here, South Metro Fire Rescue. So they're actually from Amazon. It's just like a cheap set of all seasons, but they've actually been doing amazing. I just drove on the highway all the way up here, and it was a downpour, and I am so scared of thunder. And they did great. I didn't even slide out even a little bit. I did rat the roof, have the GT500 spoiler with a little lippy, and Mach is ceramic coated, so you can kind of see a little bit of the water beading on the hood here. So yes, that is Mach. So we're just gonna kind of cruise through the Denver streets on our way to dinner. $37 full tank.
16-ounce Rockstar Energy for only $4.50 today.
Okay. Yeah, I was surprised that the Dark Horse wasn't supercharged and that it's just like a Coyote motor. Still have the blue lights from last week's stream. Loving it. I was gonna change it to pink if I got a pink Monster, but since I got a blue one, we're gonna keep the blue. Haven't tried this one yet, so let's give it a try. Ooh. Yum. Yum, that's a good one. All right, let's roll. Also in 3-inch boots today, so if I stall, keep your mouth shut. I don't drive in heels as often as I used to, so we'll see how this goes. We're gonna roll the windows down and turn the heat on. We have a pedestrian. I'm gonna try to avoid. I might not be getting into it too hard because I'm not trying to slide around in foreign territory. lot of BMWs out today, which is funny because I was watching a BMW night drive video before I came out tonight. Okay. Try to have my nav up. Oh my god! That was a sharp turn. Yeah, okay, I can see the mountains over there. So going northbound. I don't know how anybody who doesn't live in Colorado know like the direction that they're facing. You guys, we hit 50,000 subscribers today. I am so excited. Yesterday I posted that I was 200 away and we hit it overnight. It's so exciting. It's like 50,000 friends. For some reason I just feel like I have a more like personal and closer relationship with YouTube subscribers rather than like any other platform. Chickens! Get on out of here. Holy shit, dude, we're both running red lights. Are you rev matching or is the car doing it? The car has rev match. What car is that? So this is a 2021 Mach1 Mustang. Steakhouse. Oh, we were thinking about going there and I said no. I do love steak. Knocking that back. 369, damn you're fine. Shake it, shake it, shake it, tell me one more time, get low. Wow. All you bitches crawl. Why is the speed limit only 40 here? It should be like 70. Did I miss my turn? I put it in my favorites because it won't let me search it if I'm driving. Sorry, familiar. Oh, I know where that is. Alright. Nice, okay, we have directions. No tickets, so no tickets. I did have a cop flash his lights at me the other day. I was so nervous. I'm this time of night, me live streaming, so you can like see where we're going? Or do you prefer the like night drives where it's nighttime? Next Sunday, I'm thinking of doing a morning time one, see how that goes. So just so I have like different times coming out. The roads are a lot nicer here though, so I appreciate that. Oh, so Sheldon wants to know if I'm still thinking about selling Mach. Not really. Like, you guys have saved my relationship with Mach. It's kind of crazy. Like, doing these live stream, like, night drives and stuff. Like, it's really so much fun because all I really enjoy doing is just, like, driving my car. And, like, with YouTube and stuff, like, I couldn't ask for anything more enjoyable, so... We in a sketchy zone. Oh god, come on, Mach, you're not even that fucking low. Can you guys imagine if I had Mach any lower, or if I put on like the additional front lift that the track pack has? That shit would be gone. Gotta pee. Oh my god. That scared me. We're good. Oh, my seatbelt's locked. Okay. What is your origins, Kate? I am Native American, Anishinaabe to be exact, 50%. And then the other two parts are Italian and German, which I had no idea was Italian for like my whole life up until like 2 years ago. I was like, cool. That explains a lot, actually. Okay, continue straight. Got it. Roger that. Familiar with this area now. I hate this road. Ew, I got gloss all over it. Yum, it's so good. I'm really not in the business of cutting people off. I'm in the business of scaring myself though. God damn, it's like a roller coaster. Nervous. I've never been down here before. We'll rev at 'em, put some pep in your step. I think we're gonna park in here. Oh, there's a Corvette in here. Perfect. Oh, and a Mustang. Can I park in here? 60-minute max. Oh, it's reserved. Okay, I can't park here. That's a cool blue. I've been really into blue lately. God, I gotta pee. Alright. Good thing we have time to kill. I don't trust these roads. How many dollars is the real question? $5. I can afford that. Button below for ticket. Come on. Okay. Do I have to park for a certain... I am not driving up that thing. Fuck no. Why does it have to be reserved? I am so annoyed. I'm just gonna sit here. Fuck. All right, do we reverse and go upstairs? Hopefully nobody else comes. Excuse my language. Me. All right, can I just park wherever? Bank of America, Bank of America. I can be a Bank of America client, right? 30-minute limit. You guys, what the hell? All right, we're going up. I hate this. Compact cars. Oh, it's okay. I've already made this as difficult as it needs to be. Okay, cool. We're done. Let's look at these fucking... What shade is the car? So Mach is iconic silver. What happened to live? I lost connection to my hotspot. What is your favorite color? Black or pink? Sometimes green, sometimes red. If you want your boost to come in quicker, you can put a Whipple. Yeah, that would be like a root style supercharger, but I like how Mach's comes in the higher RPMs because I like that it feels like a normal, like it just feels like stock at first until you get into it. I really enjoy that. Okay, let's hop out, knock this out. Oh, man, that was highly stressful. Dang, Mach looks so sick though. Okay, I'm taking pictures of that boy. Did pretty good driving in heels too. Didn't stall. Scurry. Compact little guy. I'll have to post the pictures later. I am vlogging tonight, so on Thursday I will release like the full vlog. So if you guys want to go to dinner with me, you can watch that on Thursday. I also kind of vlogged my gym session yesterday. And yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me tonight and cruising with me. And I'm so sorry that there was so many interruptions with the live stream and my hotspot tonight, but it was pretty cool in Denver. It was nice to switch it up. I think I already lost connection again, so that's great. Oh no, I paused it. Okay, yeah, it was fun switching it up. Thank you for 50,000 subscribers. It's such an awesome milestone. I'm stoked. Can't wait for 100K. Have a great night. Drive safe. I love you. Goodbye.